Ago nami voter, ago nami sabdai. Ago nami Ghana Tokata. We are Mawumenyo Borborbor Group from Germany in the Volta region of Ghana. We are contesting for this year 2025 Borborbor Carnival. We need your support, but since our people say the head cannot be there whilst the knees wear the cap, I will invite my senior brother to come and continue.
Hello Africa, hello Ghana, hello Volta, hello Sabdai. I bring to you a good news. Long time ago, a big name evolved known as Germany. This name came out from a popular cliche known as Yekojieni Egomenyebe Niyimiava Kpojijo. Oya Ewebe Germany ever Kodu. Germany is a fishing community and a farming community. The reason people name this community Germany, as I said earlier on, that it came from the cliche Yekojieni. Some attraction areas here in Germany. We have the river, as you can see. This river, Enyenuganto Dumetoreka Nami. Amayoka Uchona Togodo, a from place Pleto, Katava Plenasia, Ozana, Etua, Abuyao Togwe Ozana, Ekovane. Nenamakaha, we also have a big mountain here, known as Mount Gleme, one of the biggest mountains in the whole Volta region. If not the biggest, among the biggest. We also have SHS here, which was founded in the year 2016, but start operation in the year 2018, 2019, thereabouts. All this and all the tourist attraction areas that we have, they gather and people from far and short distance come to Germany. We also have one of the biggest markets here. This market serves as the basket of all the markets in the Volta region. Funds generated here go to our assembly and also support the nation in development. Permit me to tell you something big, the good news, that we have one of the Borborbor Group here known as Mawumenyo Borborbor Group. Mawumenyo Borborbor Group was found in the year 2020. And over the years, despite we face challenges, all thanks to the Member of Parliament, Honorable Roxton Nelson Echekwami Dapiemeko, who is the Majority Chief Whip. He doubled up as the National Chairman for Premise Fuel. Roxton Nelson Echekwami Dapiemeko, Peremiangu Webe Egba, Buyo Woleva Miapo, and Borborbor Elemiasi. We also have the District Chief Executive, Honorable Courage Kokoroko, a working member. He here as the District Chief Executive. I can't forget Honorable Michael Vudo. We have Mama Tomelo the fourth as our Queen Mother. Mama Tomelo, Kenya Fia, Inela Dwajidum, Lai Meke, Togbe Ganto, Ayagle Kope, Togbe Setri, Sohe Fia, Inyakatamiobe, Togbe Mongo, Yenye Efia, Inela Sohonu, Nami. Now, we have some prominent people in the community. We also have a headman here in Germany, known as Togbe Maupame, Mediale Castro, a Chief Executive Officer for Cash Oil Limited. Togbe Simon Tukata, Bato Hapupu Ngonola. Among all these prominent people, we have Togbe Lisa. We also have Honorable George Lotubada. He was the former assembly member for Germany West. During his tenure, he doubled up as the presiding member for all the assemblies in Sabdai. All these people have helped in the development of our community. Every building has a foundation. Ati the sia de ekelete, nyapa kewenye, apato Saba George, apato Doga Kofi, apato Innocent Akpaglo. The group is now having participating members of 60 who are supporting in the Borborbor Group. Let's raise from our Borborbor performances as we used to support the less privileged in the community. Guess what we are planning? As we emerge as the winners for this competition, we want to build an ultra-modern library where the viewers will banlam for our Mawumenyo common. Vote for Mawumenyo Borborbor Group, aka Belele. Vote for us so that we can emerge as the winners, as the best performer in the 2025 Borborbor Carnival. Cast your vote, kindly dial *920 *922# and select number 6 on the platform. And select what? Number 6 on the platform. A vote is 1 Ghana cedis. Gaje Deka, Gaje Deka. Your support means a lot to us. Shalom. Peace.